want to fly. I want to fly.
So guys, we are here now and we need to buy this. We need to buy this one, antibiotic for him because he have something at the back. Yeah, so yeah, we will help him. We will do what we can. So yeah, I will buy this for you, okay? I'm going to pharmacy and you
They
need to
don't
drink.
have.
They have this one. I will buy. I will buy to pharmacy.
Which one?
This one, amoxicillin. This is antibiotic.
They don't have in Philippines.
This one? Mepenamic.
This one I have. Little bit.
This one, mepenamic. This one. This is for the pain.
Cetirizine I have.
Yeah,
Little
but
bit.
this one,
Paracetamol I have.
this one you don't have.
This one we don't have.
This one, this.
Erythromycin they don't have.
Okay. So guys, we'll go into Mercury to find this medicine.
And
Let's go.
Timolol. They don't have.
Okay. So guys, now we are here in Mercury buying his medicine because he have something at the back and really painful and he have the infection. So he need to drink all of this medicine for him. So he went to hospital already and yeah. So I will buy this for him. It's worth of 1,600. All of that one. So he need to drink to be fine. Oh my God. You're so sick, Pascal.
Uy, Pascal.
Kailangan niya nang uminom to ng gamot. You good?
Pascal naman.
Lobo na siya, B. Makati yung lalamunan niya.
Pascal.
It's not mine.
No, I give
We will buy for you. You want slipper? I'll buy for you. We change your slipper for new one. You good? Okay. This is your medicine. This is the medicine. Okay? You told me we don't have, but I
I
bought
want
for
to
you.
fly. I want to fly.
Okay. Later we will fly together. Okay? Oh, this is your medicine. Wait, ano itong antibiotic ha? Ha? Oh, I put it here all. All of this is your medicine now. Aray ko.
kasi ang lalo pa pag ako nakikita. Isa mo na kasi daan to yung ano mo.
Ay! Don't touch my food.
Don't touch my foot. Kasi, but kasi you touch his foot.
Yeah, Mom.
Eh,
Oh,
bigyan ko lang kung hindi yan magano. Oh, eto, itabi mo muna to for sa ano niya ha. Sa ano niya. Sa mga needs niya.
okay.
Eto, bigyan na natin pang inom niya. Para magkaroon
May
ng
pera
lakas.
pa yan.
May pera pa.
Ay, bayaran na natin ito.
Magkano ba yan?
200 lang yan.
Oh, 200. See, I buy for you that one, okay? Oh, bayaran mo na.
May pera pa yan. Ibigay ko sa kanya.
Ilan?
Nasa 2,800 pa yun.
2008?
Oh,
Dami na.
2,800. Oh,
Basta yung ano ha, yung nandun yung mga medicine niya. Kaso kailangan ko yung ano niya, B.
yung
May picture ka ng passport niya.
meron.
Pahingi ako ha. Parang hindi na siya mag-open. Di kasha, B.
Hindi kasi yan. Dahan-dahan lang yan. Kasi ito, pag nababasa, ano yun eh.
Next slide.
Goma yan eh. Eh, goma ano tawag dito?
It's good.
Oh, one more.
Oh, one more.
I want to fly.
We will fly, we will fly. Mag-hi. Walang ano dyan. Mahirap na kasi yung mga pakiramdam niya. Masakit sa paa, masakit sa likod, lahat. Mahirap. Aka na yan din. Hey everyone, today I'm going to visit Tatay Pascal and I buy him new clothes. As you can see guys, I buy him a new jogger and boxer because he doesn't have boxer anymore. And of course, new clothes because all his clothes is broken and most of the clothes is dirty. So I buy him new clothes and I'm going to buy his food, fruits, and water again. And today, guys, I will know the real situation about Tatay Pascal if we can help him or the embassy. They are the one manage everything what he need to going fly to his country or in Thailand. But I don't know, guys, because today I'm going there and yeah, so I will let you know guys that the hospital is not allowed uh, to take a video and take a photo there. So that's why I cannot give you any any situation about him, but I can just take a photo that he is fine. He is fine because I talked to the securities, the nurse, and the staff there that they can take care Tatay Pascal while we still waiting the processing or we still waiting about the embassy. So guys, thank you for watching and thank you for caring about Tatay Pascal. Hopefully this video his family can watch. At least they know what's happening. So yes, I'm gonna update you later guys. Thank you.
Paano to?
So guys, today I'm here in hospital and I'm buying those all Jollibee and yeah. So I give food for Pascal, fruits and clothes and of course there is another foreigner here and they are here no food. That's why I buy a lot of foods and give it to them. But take note guys, there's no camera inside the hospital. It's not allowed. Yeah, I'm fixing your paper, okay? I win the embassy, I fix paper and then you have number and
No, I don't. I cannot stay here anymore. Fighting. No. And look, I cannot stay here anymore. You drive me somewhere. You give me money for go back airport. Okay, I go back. But I know you never come back.
I will come, I'm just upstairs. I'm fixing
Okay. And after I go airport. Boy? Is it boy? But you come back, huh?
I'm just there upstairs, okay? What is smile? It's smile. You're so
I have to take shower first. Yeah, I know, but I have to take shower. No shower. Broken.
So I put this there now, okay?
But don't forget me, huh? See, if tonight I stay here, I kick this. They're very bad people. Very bad people. You see what they do? They don't do nothing.
So guys, today I'm walking here in Makati because I need to pick up Pascal. It's time to check out in hotel and yeah, we're gonna drop him in a new place which is no one can see him and no one can use him by social media because Pascal, he don't know that they are posting him in social. But by the way guys, I'm gonna give you updates about Pascal. Good things last night guys, they called me about Pascal and I was like, I'm still in the work because I'm working And yeah, so I go straight. I go straight to him. And if we didn't see him that night, maybe something happened to him, guys. That's really, really bad situation for Pascal. And like, no one will help him.
Okay, communities well.
Huwag humusga, di mo alam ang kwento. Bawat tao may pinagdadaanan ito. Di kailangan ng salita na masakit, mas kailangan ng puso na marunong umintindi. Minsan tahimik lang pero may dahilan. Di mo alam kung gaano kabigat sa kalooban. Sa halip na manghusga, umulong ka. Yan ang puso ng mahekares. Iba, tingin-tingin sa buhay ng iba. Di mo ba kayang umiti na lang muna? Huwag humusga. Puso sa gatas ang mundo ng holodrama. Sa halip na malait, magbigay ng pag-asa. Mahekares, pag-ibig ang halaga. Huwag humusga, magmahal ka. Tingnan mo ang mundo sa pagkakatawa. Ang simpleng tulong malaking biyaya. Mahekares, pagmamahal ang pag-aba.
Est-ce qu'il y a le Guinée là? Mon ex-femme m'a dit oui. Il a une petite amie Guinée.
Di ba mas masaya kung kaysa magparinig at manghusga lang sa bawat galaw? May rason yan, huwag puro husga. Unawain mo naman, totoong saya galing sa puso. Pag may malasakit, buhay ay buo. Charity, care at kabutihan.
So guys, today I'm here in EO and I'm with Pascal. So we bring him here to check his eyes because he cannot see anymore. And yeah, we will buy his new glasses. So guys, Pascal there. That's Pascal, guys. As you can see, guys, Pascal, he's so clean now. And he's happy because he sleep good. He can eat good now. But hopefully, guys, we can fix his paper to going out this country because he's suffering a lot here in Philippines. He's sleeping on the street, no food, no clothes, no take a bath. But now, Pascal,
Puso ang isang gatas sa mundo ng gulo drama. Sa
Super 2.
bigay ng pag-asa. May hackers, pag-ibig ang halaga.
Super 2.
May hackers, pagmamahal.
That one will be your grade, sir.
you're so cute, Pascal. Ah.
This one naman is for glasses.
May hackers, pagmamahal ang palaban.
So guys, we just dropped Pascal in another hotel, and yeah, the place that we are trying to find for him or where he stay is not comfortable, and then I feel sad because I'm not gonna let him to stay in that place, and that's why I book him another hotel. And tomorrow again I'm gonna work after the embassy, after I go to embassy, I don't know, after immigration. So I'm gonna move in again and another hostel or something, whatever nice place for Pascal.
Last year, can you imagine?
1 year.
1 year you didn't sleep in the bed. Now you sleep in the bed, Pascal.
Ah, ici une semaine?
Finally, guys, we get this one because we paid already the penalty for Tatay Pascal and immigration. So I paid 31,228, guys. And the other bills,
Actually, for my own pocket, I paid 22,228, and the other one is 9,000. So someone donate 9,000 to me, and yeah, so I'm gonna flex, and he is the one donating the 9,000 pesos to complete everything. Because actually, I paid a lot of expenses to Tatay Pascal, hostel, and food every day, his clothes, our transpo every day. So, guys, so I got this one already released, and then I got also the alien card. So now I will proceed to exit clearance. And yeah, exit clearance, guys, is just 1 to 3 days processing, and then we just wait that one. And after that, if we get the exit clearance to Tatay Pascal, so it's time, ready to go back home. How you imagine, guys, in 1 year, he stay on the street, no food, no clothes, no proper sleep. So he just sleep on the street and Pasay Libertad, and no one helping him how to process the documents. Actually, guys, before, the first time that he became homeless, like 1 month, 2 months, it's very easy to process the documents. But actually, until now, even his overstay for 1 year, it's very easy, guys. It's really easy. I never asked donation for him to process these documents from start. I never asked. And then, yeah, as I said, I will never ask donation unless I'm not sure that they can go back home, because I don't want to wasted the money for the kababayan, to our kababayan, to Filipinos. So, yeah. So, guys, okay, this is gonna be happy ending. And thank you very much to all people who really support this video. And yes, please share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel to continue our advocacy to help homeless people. And all for now, because I start to raise fund for Tatay Pascal, all the people that they share money to Tatay Pascal for his food going back home, and I'm gonna flex who they are in social media, because they deserve to flex for transparency, for donation. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you. See you to the next